We live in a world characterized by volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. This is a VUCA world, and it has never been more critical to innovate with empathy and sustainability. These principles are not just ethical imperatives, they are survival strategies. As we embark on our journey in developing new products and solutions, let's explore how understanding and integrating these concepts can lead to creating products that are not only successful, but also resilient and responsible. Start by deeply empathizing with your users. This crucial first step lays the foundation for solutions that genuinely meet user needs. Dive into user experiences to uncover essential insights that pave the way for sustainable and innovative digital solutions. What do your users truly need, and how can these needs drive your project forward? From empathy to clarity, defining the problem is a transformative step. Use the insights gained to form a precise understanding of what must be addressed. This clarity allows for targeted solutions that not only resonate with users, but also incorporate sustainable practices. How do your defined challenges align with creating a better product for a better world? With a clear challenge outlined, brainstorm innovative solutions that seamlessly integrate user needs with environmental considerations. This phase is about thinking creatively, pushing boundaries to develop digital products that lead in both innovation and sustainability. What unique ideas can you generate that will excel in our complex environments? Turn innovative ideas into prototypes that reflect our commitment to empathy and sustainability. This stage tests the viability of your concepts, refining them into products that effectively address user needs while being environmentally sound. How do your prototypes stand up to real-world challenges and expectations? As we close our journey through this human-centered process, remember the importance of building with empathy and sustainability in our increasingly complex world. Our efforts to integrate these values in digital product development do more than drive innovation. They prepare us and our communities to thrive in challenging environments. Join our community of visionary creators who are setting new standards in the digital landscape. Together, we can lead the charge toward a sustainable, human-centered future. Click the link to join us and start making a tangible impact in your workplace today.